I decided to take this course because I felt like I was at my job and I was kind of floundering, not knowing where I was going to go next. I was doing the same job for about 11 years, and I'm not going to say I was unhappy. I enjoyed working with the children, but I definitely needed a change. One day I got pulled out of my classroom into a younger kid's room, and in that room there was a young woman walking around with a clipboard, and I was curious, and I said, what's your position? What's your job? And she said, I'm a registered behavior technician. And I asked her to give me more details about it. When I heard about, what the job was, I went home, I looked it up. I really believed it was something that was for me. And that's when I found the 40-hour online RBT course. Um, this was the best thing that I could have done for myself. Um, when I completed the 40-hour course, I found a job right away. They helped me to complete my competency, my job, and most ABA workplaces help big time with advancement. They help you move up, and they're eager to help you learn. And when I was finished my competency, I was ready for my test, and I went and I took it, and I'm proud to say that I passed on the first shot. I have to say that this was life changing for me in so many ways. To start, I felt like I was kind of at a dead end in my career, if you could even say I really had one. It sounds cliche, but that door closed and this one opened. This experience gave me direction. It gave me an exciting career and so much satisfaction. It gave me purpose. Helping children and their families is very rewarding, and it gave me more opportunities for advancement. An RBT can become a BCABA or a BCBA. And what I really like is that it gave me a significant bump in pay. At my other job, I was making $16 an hour. At this job, I started as a new RBT at $25.50, and after a year, it's moving up to $28.50, which to me is pretty good. The best part of all is the positive change that RBTs are able to create in the lives of their clients. Watching a child transform because of the services you provide is extremely rewarding. So I would say if you're thinking about the RBT program, becoming an RBT, I say go for it. This is the best thing I've ever done for myself. I think it's the best thing you could ever do for yourself. Doing this training course, it'll take you places, and literally do it and watch your life transform. Thank you.